Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Radio Kaka token, Raka token is now a trending token in the market, guys. And everybody are talking about Raka token, Raka token. That what's going on in Raka token? Yes, absolutely, because Raka token is going to the moon. 30.54% positive changes occur in the Raka token, so these changes is going crazy. Now the right now price is about 0.005929 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Raka token in the market, so that's going crazy. Absolutely, guys, I'm very happy to see these positive changes of Raka token. So I already want to buy Raka token, guys, and very congratulations to all Raka holders, guys. Now at this time, on the basis of these update, guys, my personally opinion for all of my viewers, for all of my audience is that guys, you know what, in the right now situation, Raka token is in the huge pump. That's not a small pump, guys, that's a huge pump. So I think it's holding time. Just hold for a long time. It is just a beginning, guys. The huge pump is coming soon. Just hold for a long time, guys. Another side, you can see here, if we talk about the fully diluted market cap, so these all update is also going positive, guys. 30%, and our trading volume is going 16% positive, guys. So if trading volume is still positive, so that's mean that, guys, that now people are starting investing in a Raka token, and people investing more and more in the Raka token, so as a result the price have to increase. Just hold for long time, guys. Hope it will give you a huge profit for long time, guys. Let me show you more about Raka token. There is nothing more, but you know what, my personal opinion, my suggestion, my recommendation for all of viewers, those people who want to buy Raka token, so buy now, guys, buy now they're in the pumping mode, guys. And if you are already holders, so my recommendation is to hold for a long time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.